Again guys, this is a Kia RONDO. We have another problem here. Engine fault code. Engine lights on. So I had a fault code here. 0430 catalytic system efficiency below threshold bank. So guys, if you are familiar on your emission, that's part of emission system. Yeah. This is a V6 24 valve. So this is pain on the eyes if you change the sensor for catalysis, or if you cleaning the catalytic inverter. Right now guys, I give you some tip if how to easy to fix your fault code if you encounter your car like this. P0430. I have a one bottle of here for catalytic cleaner. So guys, here I don't want to show you the brand of this company. So because maybe I endorse that later, I rebuild the brand company if the brand company is give me some, what you call that, yeah, you know what I mean. Yeah, so here guys, so how to use this one. Just only fill in your tank this one. Make sure before you put on this, in this, how many liter on this, 500 ml. Before you put on this, make sure your gas is more than half on your tank. So if just only one port, your gasoline, do not fill up. Just fill it up if more than one half, and shake well before you pour on, because right now my gas is almost 1/8, so I don't want to fill up. I go for gasoline station first to fill up at least full tank or one half before I fill this. And we need to run at least 30 minutes, or run maybe 50 kilometer or above, to make sure this liquid goes in your catalytic converter. This is a cleaner only, but this I already tested. Okay guys, so see, I don't want to show the product or the name of the company brand, but I gonna show you what's that. See, catalytic complete fuel exhaust and emission system cleaner. So guys, so if you want to use like this, just go to the auto supply only and ask if we have a auto cleaner. We have a lot of different brand, but right now I don't want to show the brand or the manufacturing company. Okay guys, so fuel injected direct, injected carburetor, turbo, GTI works on all, safe to use on domestic, import, car, SUV, trucks, hybrid, like that. So okay guys, so this is very tested. I already very tested this because I have 3 customer now. Last year, same as trouble like this, and I recommend this kind of brand, and all my customer is happy because it's never come back the fault code. Okay, because if that fault code is like the fault code is here, I'm gonna show you P0430. If you don't have like this, maybe that's been the ask to work. The catalytic inverter location is on the bottom on this machine, and in the sensor you need to remove your part of your exhaust system, and I think you work at least 5 hours to 8 hours to undo all that exhaust system. But right now, just only you fill up and done, right? Yeah, okay guys, that is a very recommended for me. And again, this is a Kia RONDO, and any kind of part, any kind of your vehicle, it's work for this. And again, thank you so much and have a good day.